As you can see, we have a toe problem. Well, one from the tire wear, but the other one, if you look here, you can see the front tire is nice and straight with the back one. Here, the tire's sitting like this. So, I'm not normally one to modify things, but these drag links are now adjustable. Let's make them adjustable. That's just a 17mm nut right there, and then another nut right here. So once we get those off, this drag link will come off. Alright, so I was watching a video and there was a guy that essentially cut right here and then added a threaded coupler. I forget his name. I think it's Robert on YouTube. Anyways, I'll tag him in the video since he's the one that had the idea. So, let's try it. Alright, so we're going to go about 4 inches from here. Just give that a mark. And then we have our safety squints on, so we're going to go ahead and cut that off. Alright, got it cut in half, and now he took off another 3/4 to an inch off of the longer side. So we're going to do that, and then we'll start threading them. And I don't have a vise, so it's going to be a little tricky to use this and cut the threads. Right, so this is kind of how I'm getting it done. I just have that in vice grips, and then I'm using my channel locks to thread this on. And we're going to do this for about an inch on this side. Perfect. So now I have this threaded coupler. Kind of see what we're going for here now. I'm going to thread this side, and then we'll be able to stick it in here. Then we'll be able to adjust it so we can fix our toe problem. Alright, that one took a little longer than I expected, but got it done. Got the short piece into the coupler. Have our lock nut going on the longer side. And we're going to put this on here. Now I'm going to go ahead and bolt this side back up. Alright, so I went ahead and put the front of the drag link back on and got it tight. Now we want to get our tire straight with the back. So we'll line that up. That looks good. Now we can come back down here. You can see the distance, so I need to back it out. Perfect. Now let's get our nut back on. We'll have to do one-handed while filming. And get our lock nut tight. Also, I don't know if I mentioned, but I used a 5/8 by 11 die, and then that's a 5/8 by 11 nut and sleeve or coupler. Check our range of motion. So good. Straighten them up. That one is straight. And that one is straight. So, definitely fixed our problem. Saved us from having to wait for a part. I just bought these at the hardware store, so definitely going to do that again. Catch you on the next one.